Google verified review using the PetPeePee service. Carolyn Baker from Alabama. I have a beautiful Oriental rug that I inherited from my family. My incorrigible Jack Russell Terrier had been surreptitiously using it as her huge pee-pee pad for some time. I tried professional steam cleaning and cleaned it with my Bissell carpet cleaner dozens of times with various cleaning solutions. Nothing worked. I was ready to roll it up and put it in the garage when I decided to give it another chance with my local Oriental rug business. Well, that was $375. And when I picked it up from being cleaned, the stench in my car was acrid. By luck, I managed to find PetPeePee and dubiously read the countless positive reviews. I decided to give it one last chance. A FedEx receptacle was provided to me at my home, and I sent her off. The owner diligently kept in contact with me and even sent me photographs of my rug being cleaned. And when the rug was promptly returned to me, it had absolutely no odor. I'm still dumbfounded. The only caveat I can offer is that this is not an inexpensive endeavor. However, it was worth the expense to have my beautiful living room rug completely revived. I would give this company 13 stars if I could.
Hello, my name is Meir Martin. I am the owner of the PetPeePee company. Many of my customers ask me, what makes you different than anybody else? And I answer, I clean the Oriental rug, the area carpet, the Karastan carpet through the fiber. The urine crystal, it's hiding deep inside the foundation of the rug. The XpetPee machine flood the rug on the top using the Dead Sea cleaner, and the vacuum extract all the cleaner through the fiber from the top to the bottom. 99% of the area rug, the carpet that's come to my facility are clean. However, it smells bad from chemicals and urine odor. So how do I know when I finish the cleaning process? When the tube is clear. The Oriental rug will stay on the floor flat to dry, and the next morning I can hang the rug. Thank you for watching.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.
To conduct a business with PetPeePee, it's easy. By texting the pictures of your area carpet to PetPeePee, we will text you back all the information you're looking for. Please call us after texting the picture. Meir Martin, the owner of the PetPeePee company. Thank you.